Good morning everyone. Myself Tanvi Patel, working as Assistant Professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center. Today we are going to study about the computer networks. First of all, you have to know what is computer and what is network. Computer means an electronic device for storing and processing data. You can store and process data using the computer. And what are networks? Network is a communication system which supports many users. Means it is used to communicate between each other. That is computer network. These are the outlines of computer network. First is introduction to computer network. Next, why computer network is required, application of computer network and network topology. First of all, introduction to computer network. A system containing any combination of computers containing computer terminals, printers, audios or visual devices, telephones interconnected by telecommunication equipments or cables used to transmit and receive information, that is computer network. You can transmit and receive information through computer network. Here you can see in the network diagram how the computer network is connected with each other and passes the messages to each other, how they communicate with each other. Here, two computers are said to be interconnected if they interchange information. If the computer interchange information with each other, then it is interconnected. The separate computers can be connected using copper wire, fiber optic, microwaves or any communication satellite in which you can communicate with the other computer. Now the term distributed system is vice versa than computer network, in which the one control unit is the master computer and the other works as a slave, that is distributed system. Next, why computer network is required? It is required because it helps user on the network to share their resources and to communicate with each other. The main use and benefit of computer network is first of all file sharing, hardware sharing, application sharing, user communication, network gaming and voice over internet protocol. In which file sharing, you can share your data using the network from one PC to another, that is file sharing. Second one is hardware sharing. The same printer, scanner or any other hard drives can be shared using the devices. Application sharing. You can share your application over the network to implement any client server application. Next is user communication. You can communicate via email, video conferencing, etc. Network gaming. You can play games with others using multi-user from different locations. Next, application of computer network. Resource sharing, that is hardware and software. Information sharing means you can share your files database from any location to each other. Next is web, that is www, which is used to share your resources. Next, communication. You can communicate via email, video conferencing, message broadcasting, etc. Next one is remote computing and distributed processing. Next, we are going to study about the network topology. The term network topology defines the way in which computers, printers and other devices are connected in a network. The network topology may be used to show physical or logical arrangement of devices inside a computer network. Here you can see the bus topology, ring topology, star topology, extended star topology, that is tree topology, and the mesh topology. Next, this topology can be classified in two types: peer-to-peer connection and primary-secondary connection. Peer-to-peer connection in which the relationship where the devices share the link equally, means all devices share the link equally in the same, that is ring and mesh topology. And in primary-secondary, one device control the other device have to transmit through it. For example, star and tree topology. First one is bus topology. Bus topology is commonly referred as a linear bus because all the devices on the bus are connected by one single cable. All nodes like workstation, printers, laptops, etc. are connected to a linear cable. Here In the architecture of bus topology, you can see that the server, workstations, printers, etc. are connected to a one terminator. When a computer sends one signal, the signal travels the cable length in both directions from the sending computer. Advantages of bus topology are: it is very easy to connect a computer or peripheral to a linear bus and requires less cable length than a star topology. The disadvantage of bus topology is entire network shuts down if there is a break in the main cable. If the main cable will break, then the entire network will be shut down. Next, terminators are required at both ends of the backbone cable. Difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shuts down. Next is star topology. The star topology is the most commonly used architecture in Ethernet LAN. A star topology is designed with each node connected directly to a central device called a network switch. Means all nodes are connected to one network switch. If the switch will be filled, then the whole network will be filled. Advantage: it is easy to install and wire. No disruption to the network when connecting or removing device. Each easy to detect faults and remove parts. And disadvantage of star topology is requires more cable length than a linear bus topology. If connected network means the switch will be filled, then the whole communication network will be filled. More expensive than linear bus topology because switch is required and the cabling is required, so it is more expensive. Next is ring topology. In a ring topology, all devices in the network are connected via cable that loops in a logical ring or a circle. Means it is in a circle shape or a circular shape. In ring topology, the data circulates in a logical ring shape within the network. Means the data is circulated in a ring shape. Terminators are not necessary in a ring topology. Signals travel in one direction on a ring while they pass from one computer to the next. Here you can see the architecture of ring topology. Advantage is that the signal degeneration is low because if one workstation fails, then the signal which is regenerated will be from the next. The disadvantage is the failure of one device in the network can cause the entire network to be failed. Means if one device will be failed, then the whole device in the ring will be shut down. Next is mesh topology. In mesh topology, each device on the network is connected together, creating connections between all devices on the network. Mesh topology works well in a small network. It works only in a small network, but if you have to connect mesh topology in the big network, then the cost will be more and it is very complex. The advantage: here you can see the architecture of mesh topology in which more wires are required for the connection. The main advantage of mesh topology is that if the connection between two devices fail, then it will find the alternate path available to reach the destination. And the disadvantage is the cabling cost is very high. It is not easy to troubleshoot a large mesh topology based network. Next one is tree topology. In tree topology, the devices are arranged in a tree fashion similar to the branches of a tree. Here you can see in the architecture the workstations and are connected to the hub and the hub is connected to the main terminator. So the devices at the lower level are connected to the devices at the next level in a tree structure. So it can be a point-to-point connection or point-to multi-point connection. Tree topology based networks are not suitable for small network because the requirement is devices and cables are more. So for big university campuses, hospitals, etc., the tree topology can be used. And the main disadvantage of tree topology is that the connectivity between tree branches are dependent on the main backbone switch. Means if the main backbone switch is failed, then the whole connectivity will be failed. Next one is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a type of network topology which is made of two or more different topologies. Means the topologies like bus, star, ring, mesh, etc. are being hybrided and one topology is defined, that is hybrid topology. An example of hybrid topology here you can see in the architecture is the star and bus topology connected in a hybrid way. Thank you.